What's good on my stock market homies? It's your boy Kevin. In today's video, we're going to be analyzing and talking about Coinbase stock. Coinbase, probably the biggest IPO that we have seen since Airbnb. The online platform that allows you to buy, sell, and hold your cryptocurrency went public via an IPO last week. It was talked about everywhere. If you went to the bar, people were talking about the Coinbase IPO. If you turned on the news, they were talking about the Coinbase IPO. Investors were jumping over each other trying to buy this IPO, and it ran the valuation up way higher than initially expected. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you guys about why I think Coinbase is overvalued today and it's actually at its peak. I think Coinbase, the business model is flawed and that it's going to slowly die off, bringing the stock price lower with it. It's important as a stock market YouTuber to talk about the stocks that I like and talk about the stocks that I don't like, especially if they're getting a lot of attention like Coinbase stock. By the way, this video is brought to us by life insurance in as little as 5 minutes or less. Everybody should have life insurance. Protect your loved ones in case something crazy happens. You want your loved ones to be taken care of. So get your quote for life insurance in as little as 5 minutes, a link in the description. Coinbase, let's break it down, let's analyze this stock, and let's talk about why I think it's going to crash over the next couple of years. Let's get it. All right, let's talk about why I believe Coinbase stock to be extremely overvalued, and why I think today, right now, 2021, is going to be the peak, the highest level of users that Coinbase ever sees. Okay, so I'm here on the Coinbase site. If you're into Bitcoin, investing in Bitcoin or crypto as a whole like I am, then you're familiar with Coinbase. You know it's pretty much just like any other broker, stockbroker, but instead of buying stocks, you're going to be buying cryptocurrency. And here's the deal. I absolutely think Bitcoin is going higher. I think it's at 100,000 before the end of 2021. But Bitcoin and Coinbase are not the same, right? Just because you're bullish Bitcoin doesn't mean you're bullish Coinbase. Let me explain. So the two are kind of connected, right? If crypto is hyped up, if there's a lot of FOMO in crypto, and over the last year there has been in Bitcoin, look at that chart from 10,000 all the way up to 60,000, then Coinbase is going to get more attention, because as more people want to invest in cryptocurrency, they're going to have to use platforms like Coinbase. But here is the big problem. Okay, so today, you really don't have that many options. For example, if you want to invest in Bitcoin, you're either using Coinbase or a couple other websites. Big problem on the horizon for Coinbase, and that is companies like Webull and Robinhood. Okay, so Webull just emailed me the other day that they're adding Dogecoin to the available cryptocurrencies that you can buy. You can already buy Bitcoin, and just an FYI, if you want to get 2 free stocks from Webull, there will be a link in the description. That's free money valued up to $1,850, and pretty soon you'll be able to trade Dogecoin and Bitcoin on Webull. These brokers, these traditional brokers like Webull and Robinhood, they are currently adding cryptocurrency trading to their platforms. So right now you can buy Bitcoin on Webull, but the problem in Robinhood, but the problem is you cannot send or receive Bitcoin to your Webull or Robinhood accounts today. So if you buy Bitcoin and you wanted to pay for something with it, or you wanted to send it to a buddy, send it out of your wallet, you cannot do that as of today on these traditional brokers. But they will, in time, figure out how to make a wallet to where you can just send your Bitcoin out, you can trade it, and you can buy stuff from your Robinhood account, from your Webull account, and that will absolutely decimate companies like Coinbase. Why in the world would you want to have your money separated? Your crypto money in Coinbase, your stock money in Webull? It makes no sense. And if you could just put all your money in a company like Webull, in a broker like Webull, then you can put money in crypto and stocks all from the same account, and that will kill Coinbase. Problem number 2 for Coinbase is that there's no charging for order flow with cryptocurrency. What are you talking about, Kevin? So with stockbrokers, let's talk about Robinhood. So let's say you wanted to buy one share of any stock. You send an order out. Robinhood's charging you, even though they say it's free commissions, they're taxing you to place that order for that specific stock that you want to buy. With blockchain, you can't do that. They can charge you fees, of course. They can charge you commissions, but if you can trade crypto and Bitcoin on Webull and Robinhood for free, no commissions, why in the world would you pay these outlandish Coinbase fees if you don't have to? That will create a mass exodus from Coinbase to these traditional stockbrokers like Robinhood, like Webull. So this is my thesis. This is what I see happening, right? Coinbase has been growing fast, exponential growth. As crypto has become more popular, Coinbase has grown. But we're investing in a company that we think is still going to grow, right? If you're buying Coinbase today, you still see future growth. But here's what I think happens, right? We get a little bit of a pullback. Coinbase remains popular until these brokers like Webull and Robinhood, once they add crypto to where you can pay for stuff, you can pay your bills with it, you can send it out of your wallet, then I think we get a steep decline in Coinbase's users. And you don't want to be investing in a growth company that's going to be losing users over the next couple of years and not gaining users. And that is a big problem that I see for Coinbase over the next 36 months or so. Their next couple of earnings reports could be very good, and I expect them to be good. But once it happens where Robinhood and Webull and these traditional stockbrokers allow you to do the same things you can do on Coinbase, it is game over for Coinbase. Game over flip. And some of you guys may be thinking to yourself, well, Kevin, Coinbase Pro offers better commission prices. Coinbase Pro offers better crypto trading platform versus these other brokers. But here's the problem with that as well. When you're trading at this valuation, you have to have tons of money coming into your company. You have to have tons of money under management, and you need to continue adding users. Here, based on the Coinbase prospectus, they have 43 million users as of today. But only 2.8 million of those 43 million users are monthly transacting users, meaning only 2 million out of the 43 million are actively using the platform. That is a big problem, especially when you're a company, when your revenue is reliant on these active traders, these active transactions, and charging these commissions. Because once these brokers open up, let's say they lose half of those 2 million active users to Robinhood, to Webull, to Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade, then you only have 1 million. That's your valuation cut in half right there. That is game over. And I think we saw that. Opening day, Coinbase was hyped up. It was getting driven up pre-IPO, and once it started trading, it opened up at like $420 a share right here. And I think the smart money, they came in and they shorted it. There might not be short locates yet, but they drove this thing down from $420 a share all the way to $310. And it's bear flagging right now. We're seeing a bear flag, and if we break out of this downtrend like this, I think this thing really rolls over. I would not be surprised to see Coinbase continually sell off over the next few years. And I know some of you guys, you're big crypto guys and you want to be invested in crypto via the stock market. And I just think there's better options. I think Coinbase is in big trouble from a business model perspective. The fundamentals look good today, but it's kind of a mirage because they have no moat. What is a moat? A moat, imagine a castle in the middle of a river, right? You have a river around a castle, and in that river is alligators. And if anybody tries to get to the castle, they either get drowned in the river or the alligator eats them. Well, Coinbase doesn't have that surrounding their castle. And there are a ton of other companies coming after that castle, and they're going to take it over and conquer it. All right, so if you're a big bullish Coinbase, I'm not trying to hate on you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you think Coinbase will see growth, or will these brokers like Robinhood and Webull who are adding cryptocurrency to their platforms kill Coinbase? Let me know in the comments. Get your free stocks down below. Check out the life insurance. Everybody needs life insurance. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace.